Hello, you are welcome. The question here says find angle x below. Now, if you look at this diagram, this O is the center of the circle and this line BD, since it is passing through the center of the circle, it means that it is the diameter of the circle. Now, once you have a diameter like this, then the angle that the diameter makes with its triangle, any of its triangle. For example, this diameter makes this triangle here. This diameter also makes this triangle. So the diameter and its opposite angle in the triangle give exactly the right angle for the theorem. So that means this diameter makes this angle in this triangle because the angle that is opposite a line is the angle of that particular line in the triangle. So that means this angle here is made by this diameter. So in a case where you have a diameter making an angle in a triangle, that angle is right angle. It is 90 degrees. Right angle means it is equal to 90 degrees. So the theorem says that angle in a semicircle, because this line makes it a semicircle, half a circle. So angle in a semicircle is right angle, meaning that it makes angle 90 degree in that triangle. So with that now, since this is 90 degree, we can call this angle X, and then we also call this angle X. Why? Because this is an isosceles triangle. Because this length is equal to this length. So it is an isosceles triangle. So any angle where you have an isosceles triangle like this, the base angle of that isosceles triangle are equal. So base angle of an isosceles triangle are equal. So with that now, we can find the value of x in this triangle. So you agree with me that sum of angle in a triangle add up to 180. So x plus 90 is equal to 180 because the sum of angle in a triangle is 180. So x plus s is 2x plus 90 is equal to 180. So that 2x is equal to 180 minus 90. So that will give us 2x is equal to 180 minus 90 is 90. So I can now divide both sides by 2. Divide this side by 2 and also this side by 2. And that will give us angle x as 45 degree because this cancels this. I'm left with x on this side. And is equals to 90 divided by 2 is 45 degree. So that shows that this angle is 45 degree and this is also 45 degree. So I can simply decide to write 45 here. That's the value of x here. Now let's look at this figure. DBCM. Looking at this figure, it is a cyclic quadrilateral. A quadrilateral where all the angles are at the circumference of the circle. So this is a cyclic quadrilateral, four-sided figure. So for a four-sided figure like this, a cyclic quadrilateral in a circle, the opposite angles are supplementary. So that means if I add this angle and this angle together, it will be equal to 90. It will be equal to 180 degrees. Supplementary means they add up to 180 degrees. So I can simply say that 45 plus angle x, that is this x now, this angle x now, is equal to 180 because opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180. From there now, I can move on and say that x is equal to 180 minus 45 degree. And finally, it will give me the value of x as 180 minus 45 will give us 135 degree. So that's the value of this angle x, and that's the final answer. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share this video so that others can learn from it. And don't forget to join me in my next video. Thank you for watching.